The other thing I did on this job too is I used a lot of decals too because they wanted their logo flying through the air, the Hyundai logo, and that's why I came up with the kite idea. And then I thought, oh, I'll put one on an Easter egg, and I'll also put one on top of the leprechaun's hat. But it was really windy that day and it was cold. So you can see the Easter egg has a little uh, Hyundai logo, a little decal. A lot of times I put the decals on and I just paint around them. Anyway, it's pretty long. It came out good. There's some spaces you can see on the windows where I didn't paint because they wanted to be able to see out. But these are all the characters, and there's a little boy flying a kite, the logo again, and some flowers. And anyway, it came out really good. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Maybe tomorrow, another video.